Hey, what is going on, guys? Smurfy here, back at it again with another video, and today we're patching a slow leak in my tire. I've already reamed it out, and I'm going to use this handy kit that I have to try and patch up the hole. And I'm going to do this all in one take because I am a good YouTuber. So I have to pull out the little plug now. Pull it out of its packaging, alright? So now here's the plug. It's kind of disgusting, but that's what it is, right there. And we stick it through this little tool here, which I will show you as soon as I get it done myself, if I can. It doesn't look like it really wants to go through that badly. This tool is also not very clean because it was in my dad's workshop, and my dad's workshop is not exactly the cleanest. And now I've lost, there it is. Okay, so now so now I need to stick this thing through. Come on, bro. Maybe I can use the pointy part to shove it through, I don't know. I've never done this before. This is my first time attempting anything like this. And I do have some of it through. The problem is that if I pull on it, it just stretches. It doesn't come out. I am horrible. I am so sorry about making you guys sit through this. If I could do it one-handed, I would, to show you. There we go, there we go, there we go. Pull it through, pull it through. Alright, so now, my camera. So now here's what it looks like. You stick the plug halfway through that. It's a little bit off of half. Let me fix that. Alright, halfway through that. And then we stick this into the hole that we created with the reaming tool. Supposed to shove it in there. And shove this whole thing in here. I don't know how well that's going to work. I'm going to put you guys down again. Hold on, I wonder if this will work. Alright, that kind of works. I have no idea what you guys can see. If you can even see what I'm doing right now, but there we go. Oh. Alright, well, I have no idea if you guys saw that or not. I'll have to look at the footage. Well, frick me. Well, the little dealio just went all the way through and didn't plug anything. Let me pump this thing up. I don't know if you guys could see that, but the thing went all the way through, and now I believe that it's not going to work. So let's pump this up and see if it keeps leaking. If it does, then I'm going to have to use the last patch that we have. And if that one doesn't work, then I'm probably going to have to go to like O'Reilly's or something and try to get a new patch. Alright guys, sorry about that cutoff, but the patch did go all the way in. It didn't hold air. But I put in a new patch and didn't shove it all the way in this time. And now the system, I believe, holds air. Of course, we'll have to see if it stands the test of time, which not a lot of stuff does. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'll keep you guys updated on this. Thanks for watching, man. Like, subscribe. You're amazing. Bye-bye.